CurlieCrys, and y'all, we are back with another video today. And I'm gonna just say this one thing. Y'all keep on trying me because y'all keep on saying, sis, we want to wash and go. We want to wash and go. We want to wash and go. Y'all know me and wash and goes don't get along, okay? Just like your lace don't get along with your wig. You know what I'm feeling? You know what I'm saying? Oh, no. Just like your baby hair and your adult hairs don't get along. Oh, anywho, so y'all just like, sis, we want to wash and go. So I'm like, you know what? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the wash and go for you guys. And today, I'm going to be doing it with Flax Seed Gel. Okay. Before I go ahead and get into the details, if you are not already part of your girl's fam, you are not already part of the CurlieCrys fam, go ahead and do one thing for your girl, and that is to smash that button down below. We would love to have you here, okay? Go ahead and join the fam and smash that button down below. Hey, like you mean it, go ahead and join the fam because we are lit over here and we would love to have you, period, okay? So y'all, let's go ahead and hop right into this video. So like I said, we are going to be using Flax Seed Gel that I made myself. Some DIY flaxseed gel on my natural hair. If you guys saw my vlog from yesterday, you saw that I made this gel. And you saw how I did it and everything. So in today's video, we're going to be using this gel, okay? Which I am so excited about / nervous because the last time I used flaxseed gel, y'all, was like when I first went natural and my hair loved it. But I just never made it since then. But it's a very cheap and efficient gel to use for your hair. And this is the texture. I'm gonna let you guys see the texture of it and everything. Like, y'all, look at this. Ooh! Like, you could pick it all up at once. Ooh! So as you guys can see, this gel is very, very like sticky and slimy. So whenever you're using this, you do not want any valuables to be anywhere near you because it will be slinging. And it has a very like attachable type of texture, so it most definitely will stick to things. So be careful whenever you use this. So in my hair on this side already, I applied the Dollar Tree leave-in conditioner, which if you have not seen that video, go ahead and do that. So I applied that leave-in to this side, and on this side of my head, I applied the Ajwa Beauty leave-in because I ran out of the Dollar Tree one. Speaking of, if somebody wants to be so kind as to send me some of that leave-in conditioner in my P.O. box, I will greatly appreciate it because I can't find no more. So if you got it at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and hook a sister up. Send me one in my P.O. box, please and thank you. And on this side is the Ajwa Beauty leave-in. All right, so I'm going to take my brush. This is the Pattern Beauty brush, by the way. And I get good definition with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and define this section as much as possible. And boom. And I really want to use a moisturizing leave-in because I'm only going to be using the gel and that's it. So let's go ahead and apply some of the gel. So I'm going to work with this much at first. Y'all. The slip. Are you kidding me? Do you guys see what I see? Okay, I honestly was not expecting this to go this hard at all. Y'all, I got this for $3.99, a big old bag like this of flax seeds, and I kid you not, I used about this much. I think it was like 1/4 of a cup is what I used to make this gel. So that means this probably, like this essentially will cost you like 25 cents if you have the pull down ones at the store to where you can like get however much you want. Y'all, this is beautiful. See, this is what I be talking about. Like the slip, y'all, is outstanding. Like, this is crazy. This is amazing. And the cost is so cheap. I thought a $15 gel said something. I really thought I heard something. I thought a $15 gel said something. Y'all finna be hearing CurlieCrys Flaxseed Gel, $10. $10. Come on, definition, talk to me. So in case you're wondering, like, why don't I like to do wash and goes or why don't I do them often? The reason is because My curls define, however, the curls in the front are very, very loose, okay? Which I feel like is something that occurs to a lot of people with natural hair. Like the front of their hair has a different texture. And because mine has that different texture, it doesn't blend whenever I do a wash and go. So I don't really do wash and goes because it doesn't blend. It just looks like very weird to me. And then besides from that, whenever I do a wash and go and let it dry, typically my hair is so crunchy and so hard. And I do not like that feeling at all, y'all. So I typically just stay away from doing wash and goes. And also because a twist out is able to blend all my textures like together, and it just looks way more unified, and my hair is way more soft. And I just don't get that effect with a wash and go. Like my curls define in the back, but in the front they just look very, very weird, and I just don't like that. So I'm a twist out girl. Do you hear me when I say this doggone gel? I don't know why I stopped using Flax Seed Gel, y'all. Like, look at this stuff. It is curling the crap out of my curls and clumping my curls. Like, it's doing an amazing job with clumping my curls together. Sometimes, y'all, look at that. Doing DIY, like going the DIY route is the best in my opinion at times. Like, sometimes you do just get a better result, but the thing about it is that it takes so much time to where you really just want to like just go buy something for your hair, you know? If I had to say what my favorite thing about it was right now, I would say the slip. It has so much slip and it's very, very slimy, so it's kind of like an aloe vera gel. You know whenever you blend up aloe vera and it's very like slimy? That's very much so what the texture is like. Alright y'all, this whole section is done, and sis or bro, do we see these curls? This is fire. Alright guys, so this is the front of my head where I have like the most trouble with my curls. So what I'm doing is curling the ends around my finger and hope to get a better curl up here. So you guys see how my curls look, right? Now let's apply some gel and see what they do. So I did this whole side, and this is where we at. This is what it's looking like. We gonna see, cause right now, I don't know. I know the back gonna probably be cute, but this front, we gonna see, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, and I'm gonna come back and then we gonna judge. All right, fam. So this is what my whole head looks like once I finish applying the gel. So the curls do look nice and everything. The front of my head, of course, is acting up like it always does. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. Y'all got stuff everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and I'm gonna come back and when it's dry and see like what it's looking like. And I'm nervous. All right, fam. So it is the next day, and my hair is dry all the way. And baby, no, y'all. So you see these girls? Where they at? Where definition at? Yo, I just don't know. Like, wash and goes just don't do it for me. Like, it's not terrible, I will say that, but just look at, like, some of my hair feels like leaves, okay? That's how crunchy it is. But it's not like the definition is just not cute to me. I don't get the hype mainly. And then like it's kind of flaky too a little bit, but I will say the Flax Seed Gel did do a good job with like defining the back parts of my hair. Like, I do have definition in some areas that honestly does look really, really nice. Of course, it's very, very shrunken up right now. So what I'm going to go do is stretch my hair. I'm going to band it for a little while, a few hours, and then we're going to come back and see what it looks like after I finish banding. I'm going to take them out and everything because this clearly is not it, okay? And I keep on trying to tell y'all, the wash and go life did not choose me, and I never chose it, okay? Y'all want me to be here, and I just, and I don't know, okay? So I'm gonna go stretch it and we're gonna see what everything's looking like. I mean, it don't look that bad. Honestly, to say I use the Flax Seed Gel, it don't look that bad, but it also ain't popping, you know. But I do think we're gonna have some hope once I stretch it. So I'm gonna go stretch it and then we're gonna see what all we looking like, okay? And now we wait. Listen, honey, what we're not gonna do is act like this looks good. That's what we're not gonna do, okay? I look like I just now came from outside dancing in the rain. I look like I went dancing in the rain and then tried to let the air dry and still tried to slay. I got served, okay? I'm the you. The you is me. I got served. Do you hear me? Period. It's just not it, okay? What y'all not gonna do is sit here and try to tell me that washing goes for me. That's what we're not gonna do, okay? We're not gonna do it for Little Saint because clearly I tried, and we're just not gonna fake it at this point, you know. If I had to grade it, if I had to give it a percentage, it wouldn't even get 60. It's not even deserving of 60, okay? It's more like a 40, you feel me? Now, let's judge it on the parts of my hair that do act right with wash and goes, okay? Let's give it the fair shot. Because we already know this right here ain't getting in line no time soon, okay? She's a kindergarten that likes to walk outside of the line. You know how you got all the children in one single file line, and you got that one doggone child who just wants to be this ruly? Yeah, that's the front of my hair, okay? So let's go ahead and judge it for the back part of the hair. Never mind. That ain't it either. Oh, it's a mess. Let's just look at the ends then. If we're going to do anything, the ends are the most credible from this entire hairstyle, okay? We just going to look at the ends. They look good, right? The ends carrying the show out. The ends most definitely, its back must be hurting from carrying this whole hairstyle. Do you hear me, okay? It has to be hurting, limping. It is tired. Because this hairstyle is tired. Do you hear me? Like, ooh. I don't know, y'all. When it comes to a wash and go, like this looks like day 5 twist out. No, actually like day 7 twist out. Like, let's be honest about it. This looks like the frizz. I don't understand the whole hype over wash and goes. For me, like some people wash and goes look fire. I've had a wash and go that actually did look good, but the front of my hair, y'all, it just is not made like that. Like some things you have to be honest with yourself about and just say this is not for me. And honestly, this ain't for me. I've come to accept it just like some people need to come to accept that they don't have baby hairs. Those are adult hairs. But y'all ain't ready for that conversation. Y'all ain't ready for that chat, okay? I'm ready for this chat. I know that wash and goes ain't for me, which is why I don't do them. Now, as far as the flaxseed gel goes, I have a little bit left. So out of one serving, I was able to do my entire head, and I have a little bit left. I do feel like the flaxseed gel is really, really good. Like, I don't think, I know like the gel did not give me the hold that I need. I kind of actually look, I almost got a blowout. The gel does not give me the hold that I need, but the definition that it did give my ends is pretty nice, you see? Like, it did give me some pretty nice definition. I know for sure when my hair was shorter, my hair really did like flaxseed gel a lot. I just think now that my hair has grown out, it just is not a vibe. Like, my curls are very different. They're very wavy versus curly, and it just doesn't work with me. Twist outs are way better for me, especially with blending all of my different textures. But the ends, like I said, most definitely do look great. Like, look at this. The ends look amazing, you know? Like, I do feel like if I were to put my hair up into a poof, like a puff, it would be popping because the ends are popping. But for this style, like, there's just so much frizz to where it's like, what are you doing? And why decide to do it. So that's my full take on this wash and go. If you have not tried flaxseed gel, I really do recommend that you try it. My hair is just not that great with wash and goes, even though I do want to try this one other gel for my wash and go, which will be coming up soon, hopefully. But I don't know, guys, it is a no for me. You guys may think it looks cute. I do think that the volume is really, really nice. Like I got a nice amount of volume, and the stretching helped a lot. Like just looking at it right now versus how it looked before. I think it does look good. A lot of that buildup that I had on my hair did go away. So that's good also. But another thing is like my hair just looks very dry to me. Like it looks very dull and very dry, you know, like it's just lacking luster. But I do love the volume. I will for sure say that. But let me know what you guys think about my entire video in the comment section down below. This is most definitely a test, and it's something to do just so you guys can see how my hair looks in the wash and go. I had fun with the video though, I really did. I am going to wear this for a few days probably because I did it. But let me know what you guys think about this entire look in the comment section down below. Also, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Your girl a thumbs up for trying out this wash and go. I really would appreciate it. And go ahead and get your laughs in the comments. I know y'all probably dying laughing at me right now, but this is real. This is real life, sis, okay? This is the real results. I ain't fabricating not a thing. This just was not it for me. My hair smells amazing though. That smells good from the leave-in conditioners that I use. Oh, and also don't be shy to send your girl that leave-in if you find it, okay? Don't let's not be shy. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, and I appreciate the support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.